show you how to create this beautiful matte effect in Photoshop. And without wasting my time, let's get started. So with your picture imported, what I want you to do, go down here, okay, click on this and click exposure. I'm going to show you two methods, okay. Click on exposure. Now you see gamma correction and offset. What I want you to do is just increase, like kind of decrease in your gamma correction, so you remove all the beauties in the hot picture. Now you just look at this before, then increase the offset. Okay, let's look at what is happening. Perfect. So this is the first method to create this beautiful. So this is the before, this is the after. Perfect. So what I want you to do is delete this. You create the second way of creating this beautiful matter. Okay. So all you need to do is on the same picture, look at this. Now choose level. Okay. Then try to decrease the price to get a lot of details like what we did with the gamma correction. Now try to increase it with the face. Just look at it. Now when you are satisfied with this, now to make it so beauty and kind of clear, you just use the RGB and add blues, grays or red. So I'm going to add some blues and the same thing, just increase this and just look at what it is. Oh god. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is how to create this beautiful matte effect in Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Great, what feature? Try to do stuff. Okay? Okay, let's stay safe.